time I did it, yeah, I'll admit it. I kinda hit it and quit it and left y'all hanging, singing, kinda off key with a passion, asking, can I give you back that action? Yeah, I'm a blast in a hashtag fashion and spell it out for you like a mass closed caption. Get a closed casket, fade to black. This is my spot that I'm taking back. Get at me, punk, I was made for that. Y'all don't really even know what you're aiming at. So far back, what you waving at? Y'all can't see the stage that I'm playing at. Y'all hating that, but that's why I do it. So tell me where the motherfucking haters at, cause I don't need their blessing now. I don't need their invitation. Ain't no way to shut me down or to take this path of taking. And maybe I've been left out,